Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about the top 8 best smartwatch under $100. We've spent hours researching and testing various smartwatch to bring you this comprehensive list. All the links of the smartwatch are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch, the ultimate wearable technology that combines advanced features to keep track of your health like never before. One of the standout features of this smartwatch is its ECG and PPG sensors, allowing you to accurately monitor your heart rate and track any irregularities. Whether you're exercising, resting, or simply going about your day, the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch continuously measures your heart rate, providing real-time data to help you optimize your workouts and ensure your heart health. But that's not all. This smartwatch also features an innovative blood pressure monitor, enabling you to track your blood pressure levels on the go. No more bulky apparatus or frequent trips to the doctor. With a simple tap, you can have an accurate reading right on your wrist. Additionally, our smartwatch comes equipped with a precise body temperature monitor. Perfect for these times we live in, you can effortlessly monitor your temperature and keep track of any fluctuations. Our smartwatch goes beyond the basics by providing heart rate variability, HRV data. It helps you understand your body's stress levels, allowing you to make informed decisions about managing your well-being. And for individuals with diabetes or those who want to maintain a healthy blood sugar level, our smartwatch includes a blood sugar monitoring feature. No more pinpricks or expensive test strips. All the health data collected by the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch seamlessly syncs with your smartphone, allowing you to have a comprehensive overview of your health at all times. So, if you're ready to take control of your health in a convenient and stylish way, look no further than the ECG+PPG Health Smartwatch. Live healthy, live better. Introducing the Health Tracker Smartwatch, your ultimate companion for a healthier and more active lifestyle. With its cutting-edge features and advanced technology, this smartwatch is here to revolutionize the way you monitor your health. The Health Tracker Smartwatch comes equipped with laser treatment 3 high technology. This innovative feature allows for non-invasive laser treatments, giving you the convenience of a spa-like experience right on your wrist. Say goodbye to tired and sore muscles and welcome fast and efficient recovery. But that's not all. The Health Tracker Smartwatch is also armed with ECG and PPG sensors, enabling you to monitor your heart rate with precision. Whether you're working out or resting, this watch keeps you informed about your cardiovascular health, empowering you to make better choices and take control of your well-being. Moreover, our smartwatch provides you with essential information about your blood sugar levels. With just a glance at your wrist, you can easily keep track of your glucose levels, making it a valuable tool for individuals managing diabetes or those who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle. But what truly sets the Health Tracker Smartwatch apart from the competition is its comprehensive health tracking capabilities. It monitors your steps, calories burned, distance covered, and even your sleep patterns. It's like having a personal health coach right on your wrist, guiding you towards a fitter and more balanced life. The Health Tracker Smartwatch, the ultimate fusion of health, technology, and style. It's time to take charge of your well-being. Get yours today and experience a game-changing journey towards a healthier you. Health Tracker Smartwatch, your health, our priority. Introducing the Sacosding SmartWatch, the perfect blend of style and functionality for the modern man. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this smartwatch is a game-changer in the world of wearable technology. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. Firstly, the Sacosding SmartWatch is equipped with a powerful 4G RAM, ensuring smooth and efficient performance, making multitasking a breeze. Featuring a high-resolution 466 multiplied by 466 screen, this smartwatch provides a crystal-clear display, allowing you to effortlessly read the time and navigate through the interface. Designed for men, the Sacosding SmartWatch combines sophistication and functionality. It is the perfect accessory to complement your style and enhance your everyday life. Stay connected at all times with the Bluetooth call feature. Make and receive calls directly from your smartwatch, keeping your hands free and making communication more convenient than ever. Want to enjoy your favorite tunes while on the go? The Sacosding SmartWatch allows you to store and listen to your local music directly from your wrist, eliminating the need for additional devices. Compatible with both Android and iOS, this smartwatch ensures seamless integration with your smartphone. Stay connected, receive notifications, and control various smartphone functions, all from your wrist. With a wide variety of clock designs available, customize your smartwatch to match your mood and style, ensuring that it always reflects your individuality. Elevate your timekeeping experience with the Sacosding SmartWatch, stay connected, embrace style, and enjoy the convenience of this remarkable piece of wearable technology. Get yours today and discover the future of smartwatches. Introducing the Kavsumi SmartWatch, the ultimate wearable technology that combines modern style with advanced health features. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply looking to stay on top of your health, the Kavsumi SmartWatch has got you covered. Let's dive into some of its incredible features. The Kavsumi SmartWatch boasts a full touchscreen display, providing a sleek and intuitive interface for easy navigation. But what sets this watch apart from others is its innovative, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring feature. Through cutting-edge technology, the Kavsumi SmartWatch tracks your blood glucose levels without the need for pricking your finger or using any invasive methods. Simply wear the watch, and it continuously keeps track of your blood glucose levels throughout the day, giving you real-time updates right at your fingertips. The Kavsumi SmartWatch is also equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly pair it with your Android or iOS device. Stay connected with ease as you receive notifications, messages, and calls directly on your wrist, so you never miss an important update or a moment. And if you're a fitness enthusiast, the Kavsumi SmartWatch has you covered too. It features sport and fitness tracking capabilities, allowing you to monitor your steps, calories burned, distance covered, and even your heart rate. Whether you're at work or enjoying some downtime, the Kavsumi SmartWatch seamlessly blends into any social situation with its sleek and modern design. From workouts to workdays, hiking to socializing, the Kavsumi SmartWatch is your perfect companion for a healthy and connected lifestyle. Kavsumi SmartWatch advanced technology meets style and health in one incredible timepiece. Upgrade your wristwear today. Introducing the Military Smartwatch, built to withstand the toughest environments and equipped with a range of features. This is the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts, fitness enthusiasts, and military personnel alike. Join us as we dive into the impressive features of this incredible device. Imagine embarking on an adventurous journey, exploring rugged terrains, and conquering new heights. With the Military Smartwatch's built-in GPS tracking, you can confidently navigate through unknown trails, ensuring you never lose your way. Designed specifically for men and women who love the great outdoors, this smartwatch boasts an IP68 waterproof rating, allowing it to withstand water immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. No matter the conditions, you can rely on it to keep up with your adventures. Whether you're running, cycling, or participating in any other outdoor activity, this smartwatch automatically detects and records your exercise data, keeping you motivated and helping you reach new milestones. When it comes to military personnel, reliability and durability are paramount. The Military Smartwatch is designed to meet those rigorous demands, featuring a rugged construction that is resistant to shock, impact, and extreme temperatures. It can withstand the harshest conditions and serve as your trusted companion during critical missions. While the Military Smartwatch excels in outdoor and military applications, it hasn't forgotten about your everyday life. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone, enabling you to receive notifications, calls, and messages directly on your wrist. Stay connected even when you're on the go without having to take your phone out of your pocket. The Military Smartwatch, your ultimate outdoor companion, fitness tracker, and military-grade tool, all wrapped into one sleek and durable package. Embrace your next adventure with confidence and stay connected like never before. Introducing the Kavsumi SmartWatch, the perfect combination of style, convenience, and advanced features. With its stunning AMOLED screen and always-on display, this smartwatch offers a crystal-clear view of all your important information without needing to wake it up. Say goodbye to constantly tapping your watch to check the time or your notifications. The Kavsumi SmartWatch keeps things effortlessly accessible. Designed to keep up with even the most active individuals, this smartwatch boasts an impressive IP68 waterproof rating. So whether you're swimming, sweating it out during a workout, or caught in an unexpected rain shower, the Kavsumi SmartWatch can handle it all. Say goodbye to fumbling for your phone when it rings. The Kavsumi SmartWatch allows you to make and receive calls directly from your wrist thanks to its Bluetooth call feature. Now you can stay connected and never miss an important call, even when your phone is out of reach. The Kavsumi SmartWatch is not just a stylish accessory, it's also a reliable fitness companion. Equipped with sports and fitness tracking abilities, it helps you monitor your workouts, track your progress, and achieve your fitness goals. Stay motivated and achieve new heights with the Kavsumi SmartWatch by your side. Available in sleek and elegant designs, the Kavsumi SmartWatch is perfect for both men and women. Its versatile style seamlessly blends in with any outfit, making it suitable for any occasion. The Kavsumi SmartWatch, where style meets functionality. Experience the future of wearable technology and upgrade your daily routine today. Introducing the Xiaomi K55 Military Smartwatch, the perfect companion for the adventurous souls who seek a blend of style and durability. With its sleek design and impressive features, the Xiaomi K55 is built to withstand the toughest of conditions while keeping you connected to what matters most. Featuring a vibrant 1.85-inch touchscreen, the Xiaomi K55 offers a crystal-clear display that ensures easy readability in any environment. Thanks to its Bluetooth call feature, you can conveniently make and receive calls right from your wrist without the need to reach for your phone. Stay connected on the go, anytime, anywhere. The Xiaomi K55 goes beyond just telling time. With its 24-hour health monitoring feature, it keeps track of your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. It's like having your own personal health assistant on your wrist. Don't let the fear of water hold you back. The Xiaomi K55 is IP68 waterproof, allowing you to dive into life's adventures without worrying about damaging your smartwatch. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrains or pushing yourself in intense workout sessions, the Xiaomi K55 can keep up with your active lifestyle. Its durable construction and long-lasting 350 mAh battery ensure that it won't let you down. Experience the perfect blend of ruggedness and smartness with the Xiaomi K55 Military Smartwatch, designed to be your ultimate outdoor companion. Xiaomi K55 Military Smartwatch, the power of smartness, built for the toughest challenges. Introducing the SENBONO Smartwatch, the ultimate companion for the modern man and woman. With its vibrant 1.43 AMOLED display, the SENBONO Smartwatch delivers crystal-clear visuals that captivate your every glance. And that's just the beginning. This feature-packed smartwatch is designed to provide you with unparalleled convenience and connectivity throughout your day. Say goodbye to fumbling for your phone when receiving calls. With the SENBONO Smartwatch, you can answer and make calls directly from your wrist, hassle-free. Whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, the SENBONO Smartwatch is the perfect fitness companion. It effortlessly tracks your steps, distance traveled, calories burned, and even monitors your heart rate, ensuring you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. Seamlessly compatible with Xiaomi and Huawei phones, this smartwatch enhances your mobile experience. Receive instant notifications for calls, messages, social media updates, and more right on your wrist. And the best part? The SENBONO Smartwatch features a long-lasting battery that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. You don't have to worry about running out of battery when you need it the most. With its elegant design and premium build quality, the SENBONO Smartwatch effortlessly transitions from a casual day out to a formal evening event. It's a true reflection of your style, smart and sophisticated. So, whether you're a man or a woman, the SENBONO Smartwatch is the perfect blend of functionality, convenience, and style. Take control of your day and stay connected like never before with SENBONO. SENBONO Smartwatch. Be smart, be stylish, be connected. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.